Class 12th. Again, I am Kuldeep sir with you, right now with a new question. That is the question of your guaranteed profit. Right now, before this, the question related to your guaranteed profit was related to your guaranteed by the partner to the partner. But in this question, the partner is giving guarantee to the firm. The partner is giving guarantee to the firm कि any year your profit will not be less than rupees 75,000, right? And for that you have to pay rupees 1,000 rupees per month as salary to me. If the profit is less than rupees 75,000, it will be my responsibility. It will be my responsibility, right? There are three partners in the question. So firstly, according to the question, we have to find out, or what we have to make working notes, and what we will find out: interest on capital. So we will write interest on capital as a heading, and then we will write A's opening capital was rupees 1 lakh. On that amount we will charge 10% per annum interest, that will be 10,000 rupees. B is what? Opening amount is 80,000 rupees as capital. On that amount we will charge 10%, that will be 8,000 rupees. C, 60,000 into 10% is equal to 6,000 rupees. These three amounts we will write in the debit side of PL appropriation and in the credit side of partners capital account. Now come to the next point, that is interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. Yes, A has withdrawn rupees 12,000 during the year. Whenever the total amount of the drawing is given in the question, we will use the formula total amount withdrawn into rate by 100 into 6 by 12. So interest on drawings colon dash A is equal to total amount withdrawn 12,000 into 12 by 100 into 6 by 12. 720 is the interest on drawings as first. Now B has withdrawn to be 15,000 during the year. So we will write 15,000 into 12 by 100 into 6 by 12, 900 rupees. Now C, 6,000 into 12 by 100 into 6 by 12 is equal to 360 rupees. Now these are the interest on drawings A, B and C, 720, 900 and 360 rupees. Come to the next point. C is giving guarantee to the firm. He will take rupees 1,000 per month as salary. And on the behalf of salary, he is giving guarantee to the firm that in any year the profit of the firm will not be less than rupees 75,000. So we will count the salary of Mr. C. C's salary is equal to, salary to C is equal to 1,000 into 12 is equal to 12,000 rupees. This right down. It was the working notes. Now come to the next point. We have to prepare now PL appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Firstly, we will write by profit and loss account 70,000 was the amount earned by the firm. It should be 75,000. So who was responsible for this? Mr. C. So we will write plus C's capital rupees 5,000. In outer column we will write 75,000. Then we will write in the credit side by interest on drawings. A's capital 720, B's capital 900 and C's capital 360. Total will be in outer column 1980. Now come to the debit side of PL appropriation. We will write to interest on capital. A's capital 10,000, B's capital 8,000 and C's capital rupees 6,000 as per your working notes. Total is your 24,000 in outer column. Then we will write to salary colon dash C's capital rupees 12,000 rupees. Then we will find out the balance. Total of the credit side is 76,980. Out of that we will deduct 24,000 and 12,000 rupees, and the balance will be there 40,980. This was the balance. It is called divisible profit. Right now this amount we will distribute in the ratio of 3:2:1. So divisible profit colon dash A's capital 20490, B's capital 13660 and C's capital is 6830. Clear? Any problem? I think there will be no problem, right? Come to the next point. We have to prepare PL partners capital account after PL appropriation. Now we will prepare PL appropriation account and partners capital account. Firstly, we will write in the credit side by balance BD. It is the opening capital of the partners 1,80,000 and 60,000 rupees. Then we will write the interest on capital in the credit side by interest on capital 10,000, 8,000, 6,000 and the by salary of Mr. C 12,000 rupees. This is the profit distribution of profit part by PL appropriation 2049013660680 as per the partners. Now in the debit side we will write two drawings. This we will write in the debit side of partners capital account actual drawings withdrawn by the partners. Then two drawings, 12,000 in A column, 15,000 B and 6,000 C column. Then we will write to interest on drawings 720, 936, 360 rupees. And finally we have to write to PL appropriation account in the column of C 5,000 rupees. This is the amount carried by the Mr. C to make the profit of the firm rupees 75,000. He has to bring rupees 5,000 to make the profit of the firm rupees 75,000. We will write in the column of Mr. C to PL appropriation account. Then we will find out the balance. To balance CD will be of 117770857607347. This was the question. Thank you and revise kariye. Then goodbye. Good morning class 12th. How you all are? Good now? Okay, now today we will start one new question that is related to your guaranteed profit. According to the question, we have to find out, right, 8% per annum interest on the capital which is given in your partnership deed, right? Mr. A, B and C, three are the partners over there in the question. So we will find out interest on capital firstly. For that we will prepare working notes. Right now, first heading will be there interest on capital. The A's capital at the beginning of the year is rupees 5 lakh. On that amount we will charge 8% interest. That will be 40,000 rupees. B's capital at the beginning of the year was rupees 3 lakh. On that amount we will charge 8%. That will be 24,000 rupees. Come to this Mr. C. Opening capital of Mr. C at the beginning of the year was rupees 2 lakh. On that amount we will charge 8%. That will be 16,000 rupees. Now come to the next point. We have to find out interest on drawings. Right now, according to the question, A has withdrawn rupees 5,000 at the end of every month. At the end of every month. So firstly we will find out interest on A's drawings. Take 5,000 per month. That means for multiplied by 12, total withdrawn amount is 60,000 rupees. On that amount we have to charge 10%, 10 by 100 into, in bracket I have written 12 minus 1 slash 2 upon 12. Right, but और करके मैंने इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किया है. अगेन वी विल राइटिंग 60,000 into 10 by 100 into in bracket 11 plus 0 slash 2 upon 12. Right. Right now, in both the cases, we are getting interest on A's interest on drawings. A's drawings is 2750. Right now, जो first वाला formula मैंने use किया, I will clear it right now in a video. Right, the second one you have done. Second one you have done because the formula is what average time is equal to time left after first withdrawn plus time left after last withdrawn slash 2. It was your average time. But the first one, right now, it is what little bit different. So in a separate video I will clear it to you right now. So 2750 is your interest on A's drawings. Come to Mr. B. Mr. B is withdrawing rupees 15,000 at the end of every quarter. Right now, a quarter, that means he will withdraw 15,000 4 times. That will be 60,000 again. And what we will do, 60,000 into 10 by 100 into 9 plus 0 slash 2 upon 12. You have used this formula, but this or 60,000 into 10 by 100 into in bracket 12 minus 3 slash 2 upon 12. This is the new formula. We will I will discuss this formula with you, but not now. I will discuss this formula in a separate video. Right now, according to the formula, now B's interest on drawings will be 2250. Now C is left there. We have to find out C's interest on drawings. C is withdrawing rupees 60,000 during the year, so we will use the formula 6 by 12. 60,000 into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. 3,000 will be the interest on C's drawings. Now come to the question. Now firstly we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Now firstly we will write in the credit side by profit and loss account 43 2,000,000. It is given in the question 4,32,000 is what? Profit and loss account. Now we will write in the credit side by interest on drawings. A is capital 2750, B is capital 2250, and C is capital 3,000 rupees. Total is what? 8,000 in outer column. Now we will what? Write in the debit side to interest on capital colon dash. A is capital 40,000, B is capital 24,000, and C is capital is your what? It is what? 16,000 rupees. Any problem? No, I think so. There will be no problem for anyone, right? Now, and after that, what we have to do? We have to find out the balance, right? Total is 4,40,000 in the credit side. Total of 3,32,000 plus 8,000 is equal to 4,40,000 rupees. After that, we will deduct 80,000 rupees. 4,40,000 minus 80,000. 80,000 is your interest on capital, and the balance amount will be your 3,60,000 rupees. Now 3,60,000 is divisible profit. How we will treatment with your how we will do the treatment of your D profit? Now we will solve in your working notes. Third point, distribution of divisible profit. 3,60,000 is the balance. We have to distribute this amount in the ratio of 3:2:1. So A will get now 1,80,000, B will get rupees 1,20,000, and C will get rupees 60,000 according to your distribution, right? But in the question, because it is the question of guaranteed profit, and A is personally giving guarantee to Mr. C कि in any year his profits will not be less than rupees 1 lakh, but he is getting only 60,000 rupees this year. So what we will do now, it is the problem of Mr. A only, because personally he is giving guarantee to Mr. C कि in any year, ठीक है, in any year his profit will not be less than rupees 1 lakh, but he is getting only 60,000 rupees in this question. So it is the responsibility of Mr. A. He will make his profit rupees 1 lakh. 60,000 he has already received. That means he has to receive only rupees 40,000 more amount to make his capital profit rupees 1 lakh. So it is the responsibility of Mr. A to give rupees 60,000 to 40,000 to Mr. C. That's why Mr. A will give rupees 40,000 to 30,000 rupees to Mr. C to make his amount rupees 1 lakh, right? So how we will show in the PL appropriation account? This is the treatment. We will write divisible profit. We will write A's capital rupees 1,80,000. Then we will write minus transfer to C rupees 40,000, and the balance amount rupees 1,40,000. That is actually for Mr. A in outer column. B's capital is rupees 1,20,000, because what he has not given any guarantee to Mr. C or A. So what 1,20,000 is a part of Mr. B. Now we will write C's capital. C's capital is rupees 60,000 inside column, and now he is receiving rupees 40,000 from Mr. A. So plus transfer from Mr. A rupees 40,000. Now C's part is rupees 1 lakh, right? If there is any problem, you can ask right now. Thank you.